In this video, I am going to share with you MCQs of biological methods. Question 1. Problem solving approach of biology is called option A. Biological method, option B. Scientific method, option C. Both A and B, option D. Physical method. Problem solving approach of biology is called biological method. The right option A. Question 2. Problem solving approach of biology and other science is called option A. Biological method, option B. Scientific method, option C. Both A and B, option D. Physical method. Problem solving approach of biology and other science is called biological method and scientific method. The right option C. Both A and B. Question 3. Solution of biological problems start with option A. Reasoning, option B. Observation, option C. Hypothesis, option D. Law. Solution of biological problems start with observation. The right option B. Question 4. The key component of scientific process is option A. Reasoning, option B. Observation, option C. Hypothesis, option D. Law. Hypothesis is the key component of scientific process. The right option C. Question 5. Final step of scientific method is called option A. Reasoning, option B. Observation, option C. Hypothesis, option D. Conclusion. Final step of scientific method is called conclusion. The right option D. Conclusion. Question 6. Scientific reasoning move from specific to general. Option A. Reasoning, option B. Inductive reasoning, option C. Deductive reasoning, option D. None of these. Scientific reasoning move from specific to general is inductive reasoning. The right option B. Question 7. Scientific reasoning move from general to specific. Option A. Deductive reasoning, option B. Inductive reasoning, option C. Reasoning, option D. All of these. Scientific reasoning move from general to specific is deductive reasoning. The right option A. Question 8. Scientific reasoning based on if-then condition is called option A. Hypothesis, option D. Inductive reasoning, option C. Reasoning, option D. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning is a scientific reasoning based on if-then condition. The right option D. Question 9. Field of research that examines mathematical representation of biological is called option A. Ratio, option B. Proportion, option C. Mathematical biology, option D. Law. Mathematical biology is the field of research that examines mathematical representation of biology is called right option C. Question 10. Equation states that two ratios are equal. Option A. Ratio, option B. Proportion, option C. Mathematical biology, option D. Law. Equation states that two ratios are equal is proportion. The right option B. Question 11. The comparison of two values in option A. Ratio, option B. Proportion, option C. Table, option D. Law. The comparison of two values in ratio. The right option A. Ratio. Question 12. Quantitative observation is the use of option A. Ratio, option B. Senses, option C. Guesses, option D. Equipment. Quantitative observation is the use of equipment. The right option D. Question 13. Qualitative observation is the use of option A. Ratio, option B. Guesses, option C. Senses, option D. Equipment. Qualitative observation is the use of senses. The right option C. Question 14. Select the odd one. Option A. Ratio, option B. Hypothesis, option C. Law, option D. Theory. Hypothesis, law and theory belongs to biological method, but ratio not belongs to biological method. That is why the ratio is odd one. The right option A. Question 15. Biological method involves all of the following except option A. Data collection, option B. Observation, option C. Experiment, and option D. Proportion. Proportion does not belong to biological method. The right option D. Question 16. In data organization, which is mostly useful? Option A. Table, option B. Graph, option C. Ratio, option D. Both A and B. Table and graphs mostly useful in data organization. The right option D. Both A and B. Question 17. Malaria is caused by option A. Bacteria, option B. Fungi, option C. Plasmodium, option D. Both A and B. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium. The right option C. Question 18. Correct sequence of biological method is hypothesis, reasoning, theory, law. Question 19. Once you have a data, you may need to perform data analysis. Question 20. First step of scientific method is called option A. Law, option B. Observation, option C. Hypothesis, option D. Conclusion. Observation is the first step of scientific method. The right option B.